going, everybody? Haven't posted a video in a while, but got good reasons. We got a shop. It happens to be attached to a big piece of property too, so that's a plus. But yeah, so got lots and lots and lots and lots of space to build cool stuff. I mean, it doesn't look like it right now because we're still in the process of moving in. But yeah, got lots of space and concrete floors. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, hopefully this will work good for the upcoming project. Here's some pieces of the next project. Some of them, and some more in here, and then let's see here, right there. Comment down below, if you got any ideas on what it is. Yeah, and let's see here. Come out the big door. Don't got a garage door opener. Wasn't in the budget. Ow. God damn it. Or smooth ground outside. But I also have this. Biome. Yeah, check it out. It's ugly as sin. That'll be fixed here. Tailgate doesn't need to come off to fit the trailer on the truck, but I just doing it by myself, so I just took it off because it's easier that way. Yep, truck's a disaster. Everything's a disaster. So yeah, there you go. Cha-ching. Trailer was bought for a reason. To get the next project here. If you guys know anything about the next project, this trailer, deck of this trailer is 36 feet long, the main deck, and it's got like a 7 or 8 foot upper deck. I think it's 8 foot with the box. It's 7 foot. But the next project will fill this trailer from front to back. If my measurements are correct, it's a two-piecer what I'm bringing over. That whole trailer is going to be full. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have a whole lot because, well, you see the trailer's empty. But yeah, I just figured I'd give you guys a little rundown of the piece here. Super excited. It's going to be super awesome. Got lots to do though still before we're in the shop building. Alright, here we are in the new shop. A little project I gotta do before I can get the next project. So we're gonna give that a go. And this is it. Right here. The old Topig. We got to install the airbaggies. Because my Topig, because I'm a genius, I decided to lower it 3 inches in the rear and 1 inch in the front, because, you know, that stance life stuff. But because of that, when I put the big trailer on it, it sits on the bump stops because I hadn't trimmed the bump stops. So I'm gonna just put airbags on it and go from there. And so yeah, and just do a little quick video here of doing that, and hopefully soon we'll be doing the next project. Alright, so show you what we got here now. Maybe grab the phone for the lights. I don't care. See here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Okay, yeah. So I'm pretty sure it bolts in where this bump stop's at. At least that's where we're gonna put it because I got no better ideas. I don't know where else it could go. So we're gonna put them in here, put them on the axle, call it a day. Quick and dirty. that was a fun task. Just so you guys know, if you ever decide to put airbags on your truck, buy new ones. That way you have instructions. Because the bags look the same and they fit somewhat on both sides, but they don't. Struggle. So, got it in there, finally. Now this one to go. And I was like, man, I can't shoot down there because it's too dark. And I look over here in the little cabinet, and right there, the light. So I didn't film this side because there was no light under there. So I'll film the other side for you guys. So if you need to know, this is not a how-to, but this is just, yeah. If you guys want to, yeah, whatever. Yes, I'm gonna film the other side for you guys. All right. Bump stop. No bump stop. It's got 364,000 of them fine Washington miles on it. Northeastern Washington, I guess I should say. Oh, there you go. Similarly, but differently. Come on up through there, big guy. Okay. What the shit? Get on there. Thank you. Stupid lock washer. Hey, wait. Oh no. Oh, now. Yeah, get in there all twisty. I hate this stuff. There's the one. Okay, yeah. Snug her up. All right. The Jackson. God dang it. He's so stupid. You guys probably can't see anything I'm doing because you're looking up at the frame. But I'm putting a little thingamajig on the bottom of the whatchamacallit. Yeah, that's not going to anything. I don't care. So let's adjust this. Here's what I was doing, was putting that there thingy right there, that little strap on. And you guys are done because I got to use the battery on the light to tighten the bolts down. Okay, so I'll give you guys a little shot here of the bags installed. Right in there. Around to this side. Right in there. Camera this side. I know. I don't know how this is gonna work. They're a bit thicker than the bump stops are, so they're pretty much completely squished. So I'm probably gonna have a crappy ride quality, but it'll help with that big trailer. Probably won't be so bad. So I'm gonna call her quits here and go edit this up, and I'll see you guys next time, and hopefully next time we'll be on the new project.